there! Welcome to Semrush, the digital marketing platform that makes growing online visibility easy and accessible to anyone, no matter your marketing experience or business size. Whether you want to get more customers for your small local business, win more clients for your digital agency, or grow your market share in a competitive niche, Semrush has you covered. With our comprehensive suite of over 55 digital marketing tools, you can do all your key marketing tasks in just one platform, from SEO and competitive research to creating content and managing advertising. In this video, you'll discover how to use Semrush to make your business website rank higher, no matter how much marketing experience you have, create more content, even if you don't know where to start, work more efficiently and save time on routine tasks, and make confident marketing decisions thanks to reliable data. So let's dive in so you can grow your online visibility more effectively. And if something grabs your attention so much that you can't wait to try it right away yourself, you can always use our 7-day free trial. Imagine you've just launched a new website for your business and would like to attract more customers from online search by publishing content that gets their attention. Or maybe you already have some content on your website, but it doesn't rank well, and you'd like to increase your ratings in search. So, you want to come up with a content strategy informed by data and insights about your audience and competitive landscape. That's where Semrush comes in. The first step in developing a successful content strategy is to understand your audience and competitive landscape. Specifically, who your target audience is, what they're looking for, and what's working for your competitors, and how you currently compare. So, let's open the organic research tool and first uncover quick wins. Enter your domain to get an overview of how your site is performing online and detailed information around the keywords you rank for, top pages, and your positions. Using these insights, you can quickly uncover some low-hanging fruits. For example, you can find keywords you already rank for on page 2 that need just a little bit more SEO work to get your content on page 1. To do that, find the Top Keywords tab, click on View All Keywords, and filter for the positions between 11 and 20. You don't want to pick the most competitive keywords first, so set the keyword difficulty between 0 and 49 to see only the keywords that you have a high chance to rank for. Focus on the most popular keywords first, order by volume, and you've got an easy list of keywords in your website pages you can get the fastest ROI from with least efforts. You can also figure out what kind of audiences your competitors attract and how they do it. To discover your competitors in search, open the Competitors tab of the Organic Research tool. Here, you'll see a list of competing websites you can analyze in greater detail going forward. Then, switch to the Traffic Analytics tool and enter competitor URLs to uncover their traffic volume and sources, most visited pages, audiences, and more. This will help you decide what audience segments and acquisition strategies to focus on to get more ROI from your marketing efforts. Once you know where you stand compared to your competitors and what kind of audience you'd like to attract, the next step is to uncover new profitable keywords for your new content. With Semrush's biggest keyword databases on the market, you'll have access to 24 billion keywords and user intent behind them at your fingertips. And the fastest way to find relevant keywords is to use the Keyword Gap tool. It lets you specify up to 4 competitor domains, subdomains, folders, or URLs to uncover common and unique keywords you and your competitors rank for. They're organized by categories like unique for keywords that you rank for, but none of your competitors do, or untapped for keywords that you don't rank for, but one of your rivals does. We can also go to the Keyword Magic tool to find keyword gold. All you need to do is enter any keyword or phrase, no matter how broad, to discover super specific keywords that will bring more warm leads to your website. Let's use one of the keywords we've uncovered in our research so far to see the magic in action. The keyword suggestions come already pre-sorted by topic, which helps you focus on the right angle instantly. You can also sort your keywords by type of match, volume, difficulty, and even intent. Intent is one of the most important keyword metrics. It can make or break your content strategy and determine whether the audience you attract to your website is also willing to buy. The tool also shows you what questions your audience is asking around your keyword. This info can be a treasure trove of profitable, long-tail keywords or even ready-to-use blog post titles. Keyword research is great once you know the topics you'd like to write about. But what if you want to find out whether there are other popular topics your audience is interested in that you haven't thought of yet? Topic Research Tool to the rescue. Just enter any word or phrase and get a ton of ideas for your content you can use to start outlining your new content pieces, like subtopics, headlines, questions, and related searches. After you've uncovered super specific target keywords around the most popular topics in your niche, you're ready to create content pieces with a high chance to rank from the start. The great news is that you don't have to start from scratch. Just enter your target keyword in SEO content template. It generates a list of recommendations based on top 10 websites that already rank for them. The recommendations include readability score, text length, related topics, and a list of domains to try and acquire backlinks from. Use these insights when creating content, or download and send the list of recommendations if you outsource content writing. Take your target keywords and start creating content for your audience and for search engines from the start, or improve your existing content. Just start writing or paste the existing text into the SEO Writing Assistant and find out what other keywords you should include in your piece, if your tone of voice is consistent, whether your content is original enough, and whether you should improve its readability. Another way to improve the rankings of the existing piece of content is to acquire more backlinks for it. To uncover relevant websites that you could try and get backlinks from, use the Backlink Gap tool. Semrush provides our users with the most up-to-date and transparent view of their backlink profiles, and with the fastest backlink crawler on the market. Our database has over 43 trillion links and lets you compare the backlink profiles of your site to up to 4 competitor sites. You'll get a list of relevant websites with a single button click. And the best part? You can conduct backlink outreach right from Semrush using our link building tool. The solution lets you contact website owners and monitor the status of your backlinks without leaving the platform's interface, which saves you a lot of time and hassle. Another quick way to increase your rankings is to fix technical issues on your website that might negatively impact your positions in search. So, while you're waiting for Google to index your new article, you should first try our site audit tool, Help. It has over 140 checks for technical SEO issues, from duplicate content and broken links to more technical problems with HTTPS implementation and usage of the hreflang attribute. Site Audit can crawl either the desktop or mobile version of your website and check up to 100,000 pages per audit, depending on your subscription, which makes it suitable for sites of all sizes. To start checking your site health, go to the Site Audit tool, click on Create Project, and enter your domain. You can also specify the crawl settings or choose more advanced settings before running the audit. Once the audit is done, you'll see its results presented on an easy-to-understand dashboard. It gives you an immediate idea about your site's health, presents you with a prioritized list of issues, allows you to dive deeper into each issue, and provides you with the recommendations on how to fix them. You can also configure the tool to send you automatic reports about changes in your site's health. So, your new content is out, you target best keywords, your website issues are fixed, you're building links with your content. Now, it's time to track and measure your SEO efforts. With Semrush Position Tracking, you can monitor the changes in your positions in daily search by device type, geographical location, even up to a zip code. You can also configure the tool to send you automatic reports if your rankings change, to always stay on top of things and act quickly in case of a ranking drop. And Google Search isn't the only place you can get new customers from. With Semrush, you can also grow your audience and social media presence. With Social Tracker, you can track audience growth, analyze engagement metrics, and compare yourself to your competitors. You can also schedule your posts with Social Poster, reply to comments with Social Inbox, and more, right from Semrush interface. As you can see, Semrush has all the tools you need to help tackle a wide range of marketing tasks. And in case you're looking for even more tools to help take your business to the next level, check out our App Center. Are you running a paid campaign? Use Ad Clarity to analyze competitors' ads. Looking for the influencer to collaborate with? Use BuzzGuru to pick the one who matches your brand and campaign best. Are you selling on Amazon? Use e-commerce keywords analytics app to uncover more profitable keywords to optimize your product descriptions. So that was a quick overview of the Semrush platform, but you can check out other, more in-depth videos to discover how to use Semrush tools depending on your type of business. So try it out yourself. Jump right into action and see how Semrush can help you grow your online visibility firsthand with a free 7-day trial. Or book a demo and let us personally show you what Semrush can do for your business. All available in the links below.